how to fix message failed to send on iPhone or Facebook Messenger delivered problem. If you've been trying to send a message to somebody on your Facebook app right there, right? So let me just go ahead and then search for a certain person. Maybe you're trying to send a message to that person, but you are not being able to do so. It says failed to deliver or something like that. Now, first is that if you've been messaging with this person, but suddenly you are not being able to message, it could mean that they have blocked you. If it's a new person by itself, but you're not being able to send message, it could be that that particular person has disabled the option to receive messages. So it just could be some of those issues. But if you think it's one of your app issues, then what you can try to do is, if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch your cellular data or vice versa and see if that actually helps you. After you've done that, you can try to close the Messenger app completely, go to your app store, check for the Messenger app update, and then once you've done so, you should be able to see the update button. If it requires an update, tap an update and update it to the latest version. So hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.